keto toffee bars, no added sugar. Yes, ma'am. You use allulose and coconut palm sugar to sweeten this. So first, you mix your flours. You have a cup of almond flour. Then you have a quarter cup of oat fiber. Then you're going to add 3/4 cup of white flour or Einkorn Wheat flour. You mix that up, give it a good mix. Then you take 1 cup of softened butter, and then you get that all whipped up. Then you're going to add your sweeteners. You're going to do 1 cup of coconut palm sugar, and you're going to do a quarter cup of allulose. You add that to your butter, and then you're going to mix that up very well. Once you get that done and get it good mixed, you're going to get yourself an egg yolk. So you take an egg, you crack it, you get rid of the white, and then you use the yolk in here. You see how dry it is? It's okay. Don't panic. You're going to get there. Trust the process. So you have your yolk, you put it in with your sweetener and butter mixture. Oh, I forgot. You whip it up first. Just beat it a little bit so it's not, get it whipped up or something. You mix it in with your sweetener, and then you'll see it starting to come together the way you think it should come together. All right, so you see how it's starting to be creamy? There you go. Once you get to this stage, get rid of your whisk because you really need a spoon, a nice wooden spoon. You're going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. The original recipe called for 1, but you do 2 when you use almond flour and flours to have a little taste. You want to get rid of that with the Now you're going to use your spoon. Now you got that going. You're going to add the flour mixture that you did earlier. You're going to give that mix, just gently fold it in. Eventually you're going to get a dough. And that's good, just like that. Now you're going to put it on a non-stick 13 by 9 inch or larger pan. A larger pan is better if you can get one, but all I had was a 13 by 9 inch pan, so I had leftover crust. So I just put it in the refrigerator. You're going to smooth that out. Once you get this basically in the position you need, then you're going to put a little bit of oil on your hands so that you can smash the dough into the pan without it sticking to your hands. So you can do oil or you can do water. I like oil because it just helps with adding more softness to the recipe. You got butter in it right now, so might as well do oil too. Once you get it all spread out, then you're going to put it in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Almond flour cooks faster than white flour, so watch it. Once 10 minutes comes, take it out, make sure it's not burnt, but you want to make sure it's done. Now you're going to put a whole bag of no added sugar milk chocolate chips. That's 9 ounces. You're going to put it in the microwave it for 30 seconds at a time until it's soft. Once it looks like that, then you're going to take it out. You're going to pour that over your warm cookie, basically, that came out of the oven. Gently spread it, because you'll take up the cookie with your spoon if you're too rough. Then you're going to add your walnuts, crushed up or chopped up, and you have your toffee. Enjoy!